Hi everyone, I'm Joycelyn from SHOPLINE Malaysia. So for today's video, we'll be talking about how to create live stream from SHOPLINE. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to the left-hand side of the panel, go to social commerce, go to SHOPLINE Live, okay? And then on this page here, just click on this create live stream in order to create a new live room, okay? So here you'll be able to view two different types of channels that you can actually conduct your live stream from. So the first option is live stream from SHOPLINE, and then the second one is live stream from Facebook. However, for today's video, we'll be only focusing on the live stream from SHOPLINE function. Okay. All right. Then next, just click on this button here. All right, then you will be brought to this second step, which is to set up your basic settings for this live stream. Okay, so for stream details, we have stream name, streamer, as well as introduction. But the compulsory detail that you have to key in is actually the stream name. However, for streamer and introduction, it's totally optional. So if you want to key in for streamer, then you can just key in here and introduction, or if you have any short description of this live stream, then you can key in on this introduction part. Okay, so for stream name, let me just put in SHOPLINE demo. All right, so next thing is to actually sync to the Facebook pages. All right, but before you can actually perform this action here to sync to the Facebook pages, you'll have to go to your channel integration, and then you have to go to Facebook and then to connect to the Facebook pages that you plan to actually sync this live stream to the pages. Okay, so yeah, just mind that. Please remember to actually connect to your Facebook pages before you can actually come to this step over here. Yeah. All right. So because previously I've already linked to the pages, so that's why here I can actually choose the pages that I want to sync, because this SHOPLINE live stream app, right? You can actually choose to share the live stream links directly to your customers, or you can also opt to actually connect to the Facebook page and then for your fans to actually view the live stream from your Facebook fan page. Okay, so maybe for this part here, I'll just skip it and then go to next. All right, so for log inventory part, right, which is the third step, we can see is for this log inventory is when a customer actually types the product's keyword, right, during the live session, the system will actually hold the product for your customer, or you may see it as like a reserve system. So it's based on the quantity type for the set period of time here. So meaning you have to set this period of time, because it's not okay to allow your customers to actually hold the products without checking out or paying as long as they wish, right? So that's why you can actually click on this calendar icon here and then choose the date and time. Okay, so maybe here I just choose one. Okay, and then just click on create. All right, so for this page here, okay, that means that you have successfully created the live room already. But before that, you have a few more steps. You can see on this page here, we have a few functions. So the first thing is actually this marquee feature here. See, this marquee feature is actually a marquee message that will actually run on top of your live stream screen. Okay, so later on, maybe we can take a look of how this marquee message look like. Yeah, so now we just create the marquee message first. So just turn this thing on and then type in the content. Okay, so for example, today you're running promotion, right? Then you can actually put in the promotion here so that people who actually or visits your live stream or watch your live stream will be able to know that, oh, you're currently running this promotion. Okay, so you can put, like, for example, buy one free one, and then click on save. All right, so later we'll see how this message look like lah. Then the next thing you see is actually the custom message part, but for this custom message we'll be explaining in another video, so you can actually just watch that video to learn more about this custom message. Yeah. All right, so this video here, we just skip this custom message. All right, and then the next most important thing before you can actually start a live stream is actually to create this, to actually add in the live products, right? Because you need to have products in order to connect the live stream to sell, right? So that's why click on this add live stream, you will be able to see two functions, okay? Two methods to actually add live products. So the first thing is actually to instantly create the product over here, or you can just select the products that you have created or you have added into your admin panel earlier. So for this example, let's just go to select product, okay? So here you can actually type, if you have a lot of products, right? Hundreds of products, you can't be going through one by one to tick, right? So you can just quickly just search for the product here using product name, okay? But because now I have like a handful of products, so I will just choose from this list over here. All right. So, all right. So now I'm happy with the products, that I can just choose next step. Okay, so for the next step here, we can actually add in the keywords, okay? So we can actually choose whether we want the system to generate the default keywords for us, okay? Or we can actually just add in a customized keyword that we wish to have for our customers to key in during the live session, okay? So for example, this is a sunscreen, so I can just put maybe SS, okay, short form for sunscreen. Okay, then click just tap on the enter button. Okay, so you can see it's like the customized keyword will actually generate over here. Okay, so during the live session, you can just inform your customers to actually key in this customized keyword lah. Okay, then we can just remove the system generated one lah. Okay, then once you're done and you're satisfied with the keywords ready, then you can just click on save. All right, so here you'll be able to see that, oh, okay, so because previously in the product upload part, I have already set this limit for per order. So I limit one customer can only purchase one of this sunscreen product per order. Okay, so that's why here you have the how do you say, the info here appear, right? Okay, then the next thing we'll see is actually the variation of the product, because I have 50 ml as well as 100 ml. Okay, and then I'll be able to see the price and then the inventory I have, like stock in hand. And also you remember earlier we have actually turned on the inventory, the lock inventory settings, right? So that's why you will be able to view later on during the live. Maybe if you have any reserve inventory from the customer, then you'll be able to view how many customers actually reserve this product already. Okay, so yes, this is the overall thing. And then another thing is you can see these three buttons over here. So we have more actions. So what is more actions? You can just click on these three buttons and then see you can actually edit a product. So for example, you're not happy with the keywords, then you can also edit the product and then to edit the keywords over here. Or you want to delete the product, it's also possible. Okay. All right. So the next thing what we have to do is, because this live stream via SHOPLINE app, right? You'll have to first download the app first before you can actually proceed to go and conduct the live stream. So you can either just scan from this QR code here, or you can go to your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store to download the live stream app. Okay. So let me just go back to the to my live app to show you guys how to actually perform the live stream. Okay, so now I'm actually sharing my phone screen. You can see that the SHOPLINE Live app actually looks like the icon in the middle. Okay, you see the SHOPLINE logo, right? The SHOPLINE app thing. Okay, just click on the app and then we shall see what's inside. Okay, so because as you can see, right, the I can actually just directly just log into the app itself. But for you guys who are actually new to this app, you will actually need to log in to the live stream app first. Okay, the password, login credentials like the password and the email address is the same as your admin panel. Yeah. Okay, so once you've entered this live stream app already, you'll be able to view your shop names. Okay, and also the live room that you have created. Okay, So the live room that I've created is actually Shopline demo, okay? And then on this page here, you'll be able to view on the bottom part, right? Because the right icon is actually your profile, okay? And then the left icon is actually the live stream room, okay? So now let's just click on the live room that I've created earlier. Okay, so on this page here, you'll be able to view the products that the same thing that you can view on the live room on your admin panel earlier, if you can recall, right? Okay, so here as the name actually says, you have to confirm the live products first. Okay, so if everything is correct and then you have nothing else to change, then just click on the next button. All right, so here, right, let me just click. Okay, so here you have a few features below the start live button. Okay, so let's just go through one by one of the features first. Okay, so the first feature you can see is actually the first icon from the left hand side is actually the beauty effect icon. Okay, so for you guys who actually want to have like beauty effects, then you can actually click on the first icon on the left to have the filter during the whole live stream. And then also you can opt to have HD for the second icon, and also the camera changing, whether you want to use the front camera or the back camera. And then the fourth icon is actually the sharing icon, whereby you can actually copy the link and then share the link to your customers, maybe via WhatsApp or maybe via Instagram. Okay, so okay, now we are done with most of the explanation. Let's just start live, okay, and see how this live session goes about. Okay, so let's just click on start live. Okay. Okay, so guys, on this page here, you can see that on the top right corner, right? On the top right corner, on the top left corner, we'll have the red button. Okay, so that is the view button, like how many viewers you have and etc. So now we can see actually the live is running ready, right? And then you can see the marquee message on top, the buy one free one message, right? If you can recall that we have added earlier. So that's the marquee message that will be running throughout the whole live session. And then also next to the red color viewer button on the top left, right, you will see the next button, which is the cart button. So the add to cart button, right, will be the number that the customers have actually added to cart how many customers have actually added to cart. Okay, and then the next one will be the sales volume Okay, so next let's just go back to the admin panel. Okay. Okay, so for this admin panel screen, we can see over here, it's the same as the one you will be able to view on your phone or your other devices, okay, for the Shopline Live app. Okay, so as you can see, the marquee message is all running on top. And then here, what we can do is maybe let's just try that one customer comments. Okay, so now you can see actually one customer commented, right? So you'll be able to view all the comments over here on the right-hand side of the panel. All right, so one more thing that I want to actually introduce you guys about this Shopline Wildlife app is actually, you can see beside the products here, right, we have two more icons here. Okay, so the first icon is actually to inactivate keywords. Okay, so for example, let's say today this particular product is running really hot right now. It's running, the inventory is almost zero already. Okay, when you have already run out of the product, like the inventory already, right, you have no more stocks already, then you can actually inactivate the keywords over here so that the customers will not be able to leave the command to purchase the product anymore. Okay, so let's say you have more than one items that you're selling and then this particular item is running low already. okay, then you can just inactivate the keywords here. Okay, and then the second icon here, you can see it's recommended product. So let's say today this product is something that you want to sell to your customers. It's a very popular product maybe. Then you can actually click on this recommended product to actually recommend your customers about the product itself. Okay, so for example, like this, once you have clicked this recommended product, the system will actually prompt this message, okay, so that everyone will actually be able to view, oh, this is a recommended product, so that maybe that could initiate them to purchase this product. All right, so yeah, I think that's all for these live stream features. So now let's just go back to the live stream app. Okay, so how do we actually end the live stream itself? Okay, just give me a few seconds. Okay, so back to this phone screen here, you can see that on the app itself, you have an X button, right? A cross button on the top left corner. Okay, so in order to end this whole live session, just click on the just tap on the X button and then just click on finish. So you'll see that the live have actually ended, and then you'll be able to view some of the summary of this whole live session. So there are actually 4 things that you can see. Is one is unique views, and then the lifetime of this whole live session, how long is the duration, as well as created cards and sales. All right. So if we go back to our admin panel right now, okay. So on this page here, you'll be able to view that the session has already ended. So this is how we actually end a live session. And if we go back to the live streaming page over here on the admin panel itself, you'll be able to view some of the summary as well. Okay, yeah. You see the status of the live stream of this Shopline demo has finished. And then also the time, the channel that we have used for this live stream, which is Shopline Live app, and then the performance of this whole live session. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is pretty much all for Shopline Live via the live app itself. Okay, so if you have any other questions, guys, just feel free to reach out to our team on the live chat panel over here. And then our support team will actually reply to your messages as soon as possible. All right. Hope you have a great session with me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye, guys.